Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of AI photo editor, and I can't wait to share with you the incredible features it has to offer. First off, what exactly is AI photo editing? Simply put, it's the use of artificial intelligence algorithms to enhance or manipulate images automatically. Traditional photo editing can be time-consuming and requires a lot of skill. With AI tools, you can achieve stunning results with minimal effort. Cut to screen share showing examples before and after photos edited with AI. Whether it's removing unwanted objects, enhancing colors, or even generating entirely new backgrounds, AI photo editors are revolutionizing how we approach photography. Next, now let's talk about some key features that make these tools so appealing. 1. Automatic enhancements. Many AI editors offer one-click enhancements that analyze your image and apply adjustments like brightness, contrast, and saturation instantly. 2. Object removal. Got an unwanted photo bomber? No problem. Most AI editors allow you to remove objects seamlessly without leaving a trace. 3. Background replacement. Want to switch up your scenery? With advanced background removal tools powered by AI, you can easily replace backgrounds while keeping the subject intact. 4. Face retouching. AI can also enhance portraits by smoothing skin tones and brightening eyes, perfect for those family photos. 5. Style transfer. Ever wanted your photo to look like a painting? Some tools use style transfer techniques that apply artistic styles from famous paintings onto your images. There are several great options available today. Let's take a quick look at some popular ones. Adobe Photoshop with Sensei technology. Photoshop has integrated AI features that help streamline workflows. Luminar Neo. Known for its user-friendly interface and powerful enhancement capabilities. Remove.bg. Specializes in background removal, super quick and efficient. Photo and Canva Pro. Both offer robust online platforms with built-in AI editing features. So how do you make the most out of these tools? Here are some tips. 1. Start with high-quality images. Always begin with high-resolution photos. This gives better results when applying edits. 2. Experiment with different tools. Don't hesitate to try various software, each has unique strengths. 3. Use manual adjustments sparingly. While automation is fantastic, sometimes manual tweaks can add that personal touch. 4. Stay updated on new features. AI technology evolves rapidly. Keep an eye on updates for new functionalities. 5. Practice ethical editing. Remember to maintain authenticity, avoid misleading edits, especially in journalism or social media contexts. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Until next time, happy editing!